Ayan. So, ang na-appoint si Honorable Benhur Abalos as Cabinet Secretary.
Yes.
So, ano ba yung Cabinet Secretary?
Ang Cabinet Secretary, basically, so, trivia lang, no, Sir Sapot, no, ang Cabinet Secretary is na-abolish siya no when the President won or assumed office noong 2022. So, we were surprised that it was abolished at the time. So, parang ang role ng, sa little knowledge na alam ko, correct po kami ng mga viewers po namin, ang Cabinet Secretary basically admin work siya ng parang sa pagkikipag-work together ng iba't ibang cabinet secretary. So parang in a way medyo parang similar sa nature niya as a Department of Interior local pero instead of local government units yung pinagko-coordinate niya, Sir Sapot, is actually yung mga kapwa niya cabinet secretaries. Kaya siya cabinet secretary. Pero interestingly kasi, Sir Sapot, no, yung ang tawag din sa isang cabinet official who are alter ego of the president, cabinet secretary din. So yung cabinet office who is in charge of the meetings, pag-organize ng meetings, mag-coordinate ng office ng mga cabinet office, for example, Department of Agriculture, Office of the Executive Secretary. Ang role nun is the cabinet secretary. So interestingly, bigla nilang binalik ng ating presidente, and actually I think for me, Sir Sapot, I think it's a good timing kasi parang yung mga bagong cabinet secretaries ng ating presidente since 2025 ay talagang mga ka-close niya na talaga to. No, it's not just yung mga nakasama niya during campaign, pero talagang very close friends. Ikaw, what do you think? Is this positive?
Naalala ko dito kay Honorable Benhur Abalos nung mayor pa siya ng Mandaluyong. Hindi ako binigyan ng sponsorship nito eh. Sa National Jamboree namin. National Jamboree namin ng Boy Scout, hindi ako binigyan ng sponsorship eh. Nakakuha ako ng sponsorship kay Mayor Binay pa eh, sa kabila, sa Makati. Tumawid pa ako ng ilog. Anyway, feeling ko naman mag-work as maganda siguro yung team ng yung magiging performance ng as cabinet secretary ni Honorable Abalos. Granting na parang may survey na lumabas na lately lang or bago-bago lang no na parang ang ganda ng performance daw ng mga cabinets.
Yes, and interestingly no, Sir Sapot, no, parang yung first episode natin sa One Politico was also about the survey of the president na mababa. And now, today, parang we're coming on full circle. The survey was conducted by Tangere. The president's survey, umakyat ng konti. Along with that, tumaas yung survey or ang taas ng ratings, trust ratings ng kanyang mga cabinet members.